Hello everyone, Miss Davika here from the Lompoc Club with another at-home do-it-yourself art project. So today's art project is inspired by the latest movie, Trolls. So all you troll fans, this one's for you. So first off, what you're gonna need is colored paper, toilet paper roll, paper towel roll. This one right here is a roll from a wrapping paper, so either one will do just fine. You're also going to need scissors. You're going to need a glue stick, or regular glue will do just fine, a marker, or googly eyes if you have them. If not, you can use your marker. So to begin, step one, you're going to take your full-size sheet of letter-size paper, and we're gonna cut off just a bit. You just need enough to wrap around whatever size roll you have. Step two is going to be glue stick. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply glue to half of your paper. So let's put that on. Next step would be to take your roll and your paper, and you're gonna press it on and simply roll it over. And that's not working, so I have to put it down on the table. So I'll show you guys in just a second. So it's gonna look like this. You wanna leave enough space to be able to add your troll face. Press it together just to make sure that the glue stays. And I'm gonna need a little bit more glue on the end. Step number two, we are going to give our troll a haircut. So you can cut the hair however you want to. If you wanna do like some crazy hair, some spikes, you can do it however you wish. And you're just gonna cut down like yay. If you wanna shorten their hair, like I said, you can give it spikes. You can make it crazy hair, however you wanna do it. So once you have that rolled around, you're either gonna take your marker and draw on your face, or you're gonna use googly eyes. And since I have some sticker googly eyes, that's what I'm gonna use, just because it's just easier to show you guys. So you're gonna press your eyes on. You're gonna take your marker, you're gonna draw your face, however you choose. Finished product, troll hair. So this is where I got my inspiration, and like I said, you can do whatever colors you want. You can do as many as you want. I actually did some extra ones I'm gonna show you guys and all our little troll friends. So hope you guys enjoyed today's activity, and check back again for more. Thank you, be safe.